Oh my god, I definitely should have filmed the intro before I danced, but I didn't think, so now my intro's all sweaty and gross.
Welcome to the I Hate Amy show. Oh, I like it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be transforming into Jennie. I was very inspired by her ice cream teasers because her hair was in a pink wig and I have a pink wig, so I was like, since I'm obsessed with you, Jennie, and I love you so much, I'm going to try to transform into you. Obviously, I can never be you, but I'm going to try. And this is what I came up with. So I'm going to be doing hair, makeup, outfit, and make sure you stay tuned till the very end because I'm going to be dancing like Jennie. So if you want to laugh at me, then make sure you stay till the very end, and let's get started into the transformation. Guys, so I am gonna get started with makeup now. I already have the base done, so that's just foundation, concealer, and then I set it so it wouldn't be so shiny. So now let's get started with the rest of the makeup looks. So her brows are kind of like long and they're not super defined, they're just, I don't know, they're very soft. And then she also has a signature like mole underneath. Okay, so in terms of the eyeshadow look, I'm going to start off with this kind of like reddish, like this kind of color. I don't know, it's like a brick. Can't really see these teaser pictures if I'm going to be honest. Can't really see her makeup. I'm going to go in with, I guess, a brown color. Or like an orangey, like a smoky color. I don't really know what I'm doing, clearly. And I'm going to try it this time to make it more outwards. Like, it looks brown, so maybe I should be doing brown. I don't know. Okay, that looks... I'm going to take that first color that I used, that like brick color. Okay, I'm just going to smoke it out underneath the eye. And I think it goes all the way under, like the end. Wow, I really don't look like Jennie, so. Okay, and then I'm going to put like a more shimmery shade right in the center. Okay, I'll go for a dark brown shimmer. Okay, I want to put it more on the eyelid, like less above the eyelid. Oh, I guess like when you open it, I don't know. Oh my god! Now I'm gonna try eyeliner, and eyeliner has been something that I've always struggled with. Even like I don't do eyeliner regularly because I can't do it. So yeah, that's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna try to tight line my eyes first. Wow, that looks so bad. Oh my god, ew. A straight line. It's not much better. Now we're gonna go on to lashes. And lashes are another thing that I'm not good at, so... Makeup period is just not my ish. I just sniffed eyelash glue. Don't recommend. Oh my god, you can see the eyelash glue. It's so embarrassing. Maybe I'll just have to go over that with eyeliner, but... Okay, so applying lashes is definitely not something I'm skilled at. My eyes look so uneven. So now it's gonna go for cheeks. I don't think she has anything on her cheeks. So I'm just gonna go for lips. So it's kind of a pinky, like a light pinky. So I have this peach color and I have another like reddish tint color. I think I am done with the makeup look now. Finally, we are done with the makeup. That took so long and it was as hard as I expected it to be because I can't do makeup. So we've moved on to the outfit portion now. So I put on this cardigan. I know it does not look like her cardigan at all because hers is pink and mine's white. This is like the closest cardigan, cropped cardigan that I have that kind of looks crocheted. There's like little holes in it. I don't know, it's the closest thing that I have and I'm just gonna work with what I have. But I did get these flowers over here. So these ones, I am actually just going to take them and I'm just going to stick them along the side of my arm and along the sweater or along the cardigan to make it seem more like her sweater. Yeah, I just cut off the stems and I'm just going to literally use double-sided tape and I'm going to stick them on. I'm going to take this and there. Oh my gosh, so cute. So this is what the sweater looks like now. It looks a little bit cooler in person. No, it doesn't. Not really. Like up close, it's a little bit cooler. So this is what it looks like when it's finished. Hair. So now it's time for the hair, which I think is going to be really fun. This is, oh god. So this is the hair. I actually have a wig. It's the same wig in my profile picture. So yeah, this is pink hair. I'm going to try to put it on. Yesterday I spent all day looking for a wig cap. I could not find a wig cap. I went to 3 different places and they did not have wig caps. So this is the one that it came with. I was just looking for another one because I thought this was going to be a little bit tiny and my head kind of big. So yeah. But I'm going to put my hair in. Ow, 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 ow. I'm gonna try to put the wig cap on now. This is going to be super embarrassing because I'm gonna look bald. This stays better. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh. I don't actually know how to properly put on a wig, so this is exciting. Okay. Oh my god, I look like a monster. Okay, so I think this is what this is the best that I can do. Oh my god. Do you see this? This is crazy. Oh, this looks so weird. Why does my head look so bulky up here? Oh my god, look. You see that? It's like a bulge. But that's why I had to wear a hat in my picture because like it's super bulky. This is what I would look like. Oh my god, my hat doesn't even fit because my head's so big right now in general. But like, see, oh my god.
It's me, Mario!
I look like Mario! So I'm gonna split this in 2 because her hair is actually in pigtails and her hair is tied together with a ribbon. I don't have that. So my thing keeps falling off. I don't have that, so I'm going to use a scrunchie, but that's also pink. So it's just pink on pink. Yeah, that kind of looks like a ribbon. Okay. Do I look like Jennie yet? Ew. Ew, bro. You can kind of like still see my hair underneath, but I don't care. Okay, this is like the closest I can get. Okay, so So this is my attempted transformation. It looks pretty bad. I'm pretty aware of that. This is the best I could do on a budget. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me try to do some of the photo shoot stuff. Now for the final segment, I'm going to be attempting to learn Jennie's part in Ice Cream, the Zepeto version. I'm going to be watching that and I'm going to be following that and I'm going to be trying to see if I can dance. I'm going to be recreating her dance in full costume or in full transformation. So let's go. Okay, so clearly that was a really good dance because my wig is snatched. Wig! Literally. Okay. But that, oh my gosh, so crazy. But that is the end for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this transformation. If you guys enjoyed this transformation content, if you guys had a good time watching it, if you laughed at it, or if you liked it, please let me know in the comments. Please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe. I had a lot of fun making it despite how tiring dancing is. It was very, very fun. So yeah, check back next week for another fun video. Bye! An animation character can dance better than me, so oh my god, I feel like I can breathe. Like my hair can breathe.